Hi everyone, so we are here today with a new product that we bought. As you can see from the image, I think you can guess what it is. So we'll make an attempt to get it open and we'll have a look at it. So first what we're going to do is take this case off. My lovely assistant. I'm going to lift it off. And there we have it, the new Delongi Dinamica. Or Dinamica, however you say it. Coffee machine. We'll get it unboxed and then we'll show you what's inside it. Alright everyone, so there it is, it's set up. It's currently switched off. Not used it yet, it's the first time. So this is not a review, this is just showing you what it looks like and showing you how we make our first brew. So we've filled up the slot with beans, as you can see. And this slot here is for putting ground coffee in. And we're just going to have a go and try and make a coffee with it. So this button here is for Aroma. You can go maximum 3. Oh no, you can't, you can go all the way up. Don't allow me to go back down now. Well, I picked up 5 Aroma now, so that's what we're having. So I'm going to press this button here for 1, yeah?
Yep.
I'm assuming it's going to make 1 coffee, it's super strong. That's how you drop the. I'll see when it's doing something.
Just so you'll hear it boiling for the first few times, it says.
Alright. That's going now. It's quieter than the machine, that's for sure. Can't work out how to turn the strength down, but you turn the strength up. If I turned it up to 3, 5 and...
Not saved, so it'll go to default.
Alright. Which was 0.
So
Well,
we need to save it somehow.
it seemed to be.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to put it on 5 extra strong, which might be a bit too strong, I don't know. That's it. That's the standard coffee done. Okay, so now we're trying the cappuccino. We've put the milk frother in a big cup, and I do believe we need that one, don't we, Shell? Is that right? Which one's cappuccino? Is it that one or is it that one? That's cappuccino, isn't it?
Yeah, that's macchiato.
That's cappuccino, isn't it?
Yes, and that's
right.
hot milk.
Right, let's make cappuccino then, yeah?
Yeah.
So it's 3 grain. Put it on steamy. Frothy. And let's see what this looks like when it starts pouring. So just take it on there. There we go. Looking good, Shell. Seems to be coming out straightforward. That's one cappuccino made. It's coming up with a, is that for cleaning? There you go. Is that for cleaning? Is that why it's coming up with that?
I don't know.
So I've just made a hot chocolate, and the milk I wouldn't say was really, really hot, but it was warm enough for the kids certainly. And the kids like it as well. It's simple enough for them to use. So that's now been cleaned. She can now then turn it around. So that's it. Just a basic coffee and a cappuccino. Like I say, it's not a review, it's just showing you how it looks. And there you go. So a couple of little things I thought I'd better just point out. So say coffee machine's on now, and you want to change the strength, you just press that. So if you want a 3, you'd have a 3. If you want a 5, you'd have a 5. And if you want, say you put decaf in there, or normal in there and decaf in there, you'd press it onto the scoop button. And that would if you want a double espresso. And then the other thing to show you on this is you can get this tray out. That's your tray, and instead of pulling it all the way out, you can just pull it, and then basically that lifts straight out. I don't know if you can see that. Pull straight out. And in. So that's it. Pretty cool piece of equipment.